available to owners of new S-Cross models registered after October 2021. Suzuki Connect allows you to connect to your car via your smartphone, making car ownership that little bit simpler and safer. With vehicle status notifications, you'll get alerts when you've left your lights on or your doors unlocked. You can remotely lock your car using the app. Security notifications let you know when an alarm is activated or if your engine is started, so you can feel reassured when leaving your S-Cross anywhere. But that's not all. Fitted with a parked car locator, you can find and share your car's location within seconds. And there are loads more features too. So, are you ready to step into a world of convenience with Suzuki Connect? First, you need to contact your dealer to ask them how to register for Suzuki Connect. If you're buying a new S-Cross, do this before you take delivery of your car. Or, if you're an existing owner of an S-Cross, your dealer will be able to check if your vehicle is eligible. Either way, it's super easy and your dealer will help you every step of the way. They'll give you a Suzuki Connect registration form, which contains all the info you need, and a unique QR code linked to your vehicle, which you'll need to scan with your mobile phone. The form will direct you to Suzuki's website, where you'll create an account. All you'll need is your email address, contact information, and your vehicle identification number, which is located on your vehicle at the top of the engine bay and on your vehicle registration documents. You'll need to verify your email address, accept privacy policy and terms and conditions, and review and confirm all registered information. To complete the registration process, you'll need to add your vehicle's details to your account. Your vehicle must be parked in a location with good connectivity, with the ignition on. After that, visit the App Store or Google Play to download your Suzuki Connect app. Links to the app locations are also included on the Suzuki Connect registration form. Once downloaded, sit in your S-Cross and log into your account to complete the setup process. Enter your email address and your password, and then follow the on-screen instructions. On iPhone, you'll need to allow the app to send you notifications. With Android, this will happen automatically. Then create a 4-digit remote access PIN so you can operate your car doors remotely. Finally, you need to check the e-call button status. To do so, ensure your indicator is not lit before tapping Lights Turned Off. Once the app homepage appears, the setup is complete and you're ready to go.